Big news that's coming in right now. Former Congress MP Sajjan Kumar has been sentenced to life in prison in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. The court found him guilty of inciting mobs during the riots but refused to grant the death penalty. Big news that's coming in connection to the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. Life in jail for Sajjan Kumar, the former Congress MP. In fact, he has been convicted for inciting a mob, and the court has refused to grant death penalty. My colleague Akansha joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Akansha, big news that's coming in right now in connection to the former Congress MP who has been convicted of inciting a mob.
Well, absolutely. You see, former Congress leader, in fact, former Congress MP Sajjan Kumar was in jail and will remain in jail as he has been given life imprisonment in anti-Sikh riots that relate to 1984. Now, today, the judge, in fact, in the court order said that this, in fact, does not amount to rarest of the rare case, because I'm currently outside Rawalpindi Court, and a lot of petitioners, in fact, family of those who lost their life, they all were present here, and they said that they were not satisfied with the order of the court. They in fact went on to say that they want death penalty for Sajjan Kumar, and mere life imprisonment is not enough for them. Remember, the prosecution had also said that Sajjan Kumar should be given death penalty because this is rarest of the rarest rare case. But today the court has pronounced the order and has only given life imprisonment to Sajjan Kumar. Now, the kin of those who were killed have mentioned that they will approach the higher court to challenge this order.
All right, interesting, Akansha, that this hasn't been categorized as a rarest of the rare crime given the heinous nature of the crimes committed and the details that, of course, are in public domain as well. Really appreciate you joining us on the broadcast and getting us all those details. In fact, viewers are shifting our focus now.